Hello everyone, my name is Renato Filizola, and in this video I'm going to show you how to disable a user from using the shell in Linux. First of all, a shell is a computer program that takes commands, interprets them, and passes them to the operating system to process. So it's an interface between the user and the operating system through which a user can interact with the computer. So let's see the shells that we have on this Red Hat. There's a file called etc/shells, and we basically have two types of shell, which is sh and bash. So the sh shell was developed by Stephen Bourne, and it has less functionality. It was the predecessor of bash, and bash, this one here, is the famous one, which it was developed by BrainFox. It has more functionality, and it's the successor of sh. So I'm gonna create a user. I'm gonna add user. I'm gonna create John, and this user will be in the passwd file. I'm gonna read this file, and as you can see here, for default, John has been assigned to the bash shell. Okay, so what I can do is I can switch user to John, and I can use the bash shell with the John user. So I'm gonna exit from the same file, but now I'm going to read this. I'm gonna edit this file. So if I do vi/etc/passwd, I'm gonna change from bash to sh. That means I'm gonna change the shell, right? I will save this file, and I will do the same thing. Switch user and John. So as you can see, first, when I switched the user to John, I could see this entire thing. So the name of the user, the name of the computer, and the folder logged to, because I was using the bash shell. So now I have changed the shell to from bash to sh. So with the sh shell, I'm not able to see the user, I'm not able to see the host name, and I'm not even able to see the folder. So that's the only difference. I would say that some distributions we cannot even autocomplete using the sh shell, but with this version of Red Hat, it's okay. So if I go TMP, I can use tab to autocomplete, but for some distribution, it doesn't work autocomplete. Just to let you know, guys. There's another thing I would like to do. I can also, I'm gonna exit from this user, and I can also change, actually I can disable the shell. So I'm gonna say, okay, John will not be able to log in. So I can say /bin and /no login. So with this line here, I'm saying, okay, John it's not allowed to access the shell or to log in with the option no login. So I'm gonna save this, and I will try to change the user to John, and I can see here failed to execute /bin / no login, no such file or directory. So because we are saying that John is not able to log in with the /bin / no login option in our passwd, that means that John is not even able to log in. There's another option that we can use, so I can change, for example, the shell, not even entering or not even editing the file, but using the usermod command. So I can say that usermod / usermod -s, and I'm gonna say, okay, my shell now will be bash for the user John. And if I read again the passwd file, now it has changed from no login to bash, and now I can switch user to John, and I can log in to John's user. Okay, yeah, that's it, guys. Now you know how to disable a specific user from the command line. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button, give a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you later.